All right, I just got this. So we're gonna unbox it, give you a little view of it. It is a Wyze Cam Pan. That's what they call it. And it's color at night. All right, so let's go ahead and get her open. Pop this up, grab this handy dandy handle. Bam, Bob's your uncle. Got it out of the box. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, apparently we've got to cut this part right here. So let me get my knife and we'll get through it. Okay, there we go. Oh, there it goes. You get one of these things, quick start, you need that. All right, and here's the camera. It comes with a bunch of accessories. Let's go ahead and get her out of the box. All right, so this is it right here. Check it out. It's kind of cool. It's got a little thing here. I guess you can hook it on there. You gotta pull that off of there. And yeah, look at rotation, all that stuff. Let's set that. Let's see what else is in the box. Oh, here, I almost forgot this. You need this to attach it to the wall. So that's gonna go like that, and that's gonna go on there like that. And bam, Bob's your uncle. I do believe it works off of Wi-Fi, I would imagine. So yeah, and I think we have a plug down here, and I don't know if it comes with a block. Doesn't look like it does. So that would sit on there like that. Let's see what we've got in here. Set that right there. And see if we can get this open. Ah, such a pain in the butt. You know. It's got to open somehow, right? There we go. Sometimes you got to use force. Yep, that's what I thought. All right, what's cool about this, it does come with a block. So that's good. Comes with some screws and some anchors for attaching it to a wall. And I do believe, yep, USB, regular A goes in here, and then you can put this in the very bottom down here. You can see, I'll show you. So this is gonna go in like this. There's only one way to do it, right? Just like that. Okay, so that's in. Now, then you gotta, plug it in somewhere, which we will do. And, but that's the unboxing. You do get a block. You do get some anchors and screws, and you get this little thing right here. And that's gonna go on there like that after we put the electricity into it. Or it could go this way. I think that's probably the way it's gonna go, like that. It also comes with this little mounting thing so that you can match up your screw holes. You can put this on the wall and then screw it, and then you've got it completely matched. So that's handy. But you're gonna need a place to plug it in. You follows me? All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.